Today, we're diving into December's 2024 ICE Mortgage Monitor Report. We are not talking about immigration, we're talking about mortgages and what it means for veterans like us. So, first, let's talk about what the ICE Mortgage Monitor is and why it matters. Now, please drop a comment below if this is the first time you've ever heard of them. The ICE Mortgage Monitor is a report published by the Intercontinental Exchange Incorporated, a leading provider of financial data and technology. They analyze mortgage, real estate, and public records data to provide insights into market trends and consumer behavior. For homeowners and buyers, this information is incredibly valuable because it highlights opportunities to save money and make informed decisions. Today, we'll focus on how these insights relate to veterans and their use of the VA home loan. If you're a homeowner or thinking about buying a home, this video will help you understand the recent surge in refinancing activity and why VA loans played such a significant role. Plus, we'll discuss how you can make smart financial decisions in today's market. So let's get started and break it down. The mortgage market has been buzzing with activity. According to the December 2024 ICE Mortgage Monitor Report, over 300,000 refinances were completed in September and October alone. And that's most that we've seen in 2.5 years. And here's the biggest kicker. VA loans accounted for more than 30% of those rate and term refinances. And remember, the VA loan has the amazing interest rate reduction refinance loan option, which you guys could check out on the channel, VA Housing Education. So make sure you guys subscribe and check out like what options really exist for the veteran community. Now that's 4 times the market share among all active mortgages for the veteran community. Now, what's driving this trend? According to the data, interest rates have been in the low 6% range, making refinance highly attractive. On average, homeowners who refinanced were able to cut their mortgage rate by more than a full percentage point and save on average $320 per month. Now, collectively, that's $47 million in monthly savings just in September and October. It's like hitting the lottery across the country. Now, remember, I keep saying buy when you can afford and then refinance when rates go down. So that $320 a month in savings, average savings, represents roughly about $53,000 in purchasing power. So when rates go down, housing values normally increase. So it's a double win. You save on your monthly payment and your property appreciates. It's pretty amazing. Now, veterans with VA loans saw some of the biggest benefits because of the largest average rate reductions. It's clear VA loans continue to be the powerful tool for veterans looking to improve their financial position. So why are veterans leading the charge in refinancing boom? Here's a couple key reasons. First, VA loans offer unique flexibility. Unlike conventional loans, VA loans allow borrowers to refinance up to loan-to-value ratios over 100%. This means you can refinance even if you haven't built up a lot of equity in your property. Now, obviously, there's some cons to that, but at the end of the day, it's going to all depend on how you structure that refinance. If you skip payments, if you get escrow refunds, how fast you could recoup that money, and that's the main driver. So being financially smart and utilizing a budget will allow you to get ahead of the game. Second, VA loans make it easier to roll closing costs and interest rate buy downs into your loan. This reduces the upfront cost of refinancing, making it more accessible option for a lot of veterans. Now, I want you guys to be very careful with that because that is a common thing that I hear, and I still get mailers every day, even on my mortgage, and I am in the business. And what I come across when it comes to this is that people will give you these very attractive interest rates, but they come with significant fees. So you definitely want to be able to double check that. And you guys can also reach out to me in my description. You can actually schedule a call with me and we can go over what you're trying to do and see if it makes sense or not. Now, finally, VA borrowers benefit from streamlined refinance options like the VA interest rate reduction refinance loan. The process simplifies refinancing, allowing you to secure a lower rate with minimal hassle. And the nice part about these IRRRLs is you don't have to do an appraisal. You just need a source of income, and as long as you made your payments on time for the last 12 months, it's a pretty sweet deal. And you can also structure it where you might be able to not make 2 mortgage payments, but that is something that you definitely need to get with your lender on, because there's nothing that's free in life. You pay for it one way or another, but everyone's financial picture is a little bit different. So make sure you go through the options that are right for you. Now let's talk about what this means for veterans as homeowners. Opportunities. If you're currently paying a mortgage rate higher than 6.75 on average, refinancing could be a smart move. But cutting your rate and lowering your monthly payments is a great way to free up funds and to be able to use that for other priorities or to build long-term savings. Now, there's definitely some risks involved with this, including the fact that, hey, what if rates even go further down? But as we've seen over the last couple of months, rates will drop down and all of a sudden they bounce back up. And that's kind of the challenge that I see. And this is exactly last year, this time, the same thing happened. Rates dropped really low. And then overnight they went up, pausing pretty much anyone that was on the sideline thinking about refinancing to now wait again. And a lot of people just didn't even do anything about that. Now, I want you to be mindful of the loan to value ratio I mentioned, over 100%. While these high ratios make refinancing accessible, they can also increase financial risk if your values decline. So make sure you budget carefully and understand the terms of the loan. I'll tell you, that's one of the things that I pride myself on when it comes to helping veterans using the VA home loan, because we'll break it down, good or bad. You got to know what you're stepping into. And guess what? And if it doesn't make sense, then you don't do it. You got to just figure that out as soon as possible. And even up until the closing date, you still have 3 days right of rescission, meaning that once you close on a primary residence refinance, you can still cancel that loan even though you closed up to 3 business days after. So keep that in mind. If you're watching this video thinking it might be too late, it's not. Feel free to reach out. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer, you might be wondering what are all the refinance activity means for you. Well, here's the good news. Refinancing trends highlight the importance of locking in a favorable rate when you buy a home. While rates in the 6s range are historically low, staying informed about the market trends can help you identify future refinance opportunities. VA loans offer first-time buyers unmatched benefits like no down payment requirements and competitive rates, but make sure you guys kind of shop around on that. This makes it easier to enter the housing market and start building equity. So what should you do next? Here are some actionable steps for you guys. Number 1, evaluate your mortgage. If you already own a home, review your current mortgage terms. If your interest rate is higher than 6.75 or higher, this could mean monthly savings that you want to be able to take advantage of. Second thing is explore your options. The best thing to do is to schedule a call with me, and I'm happy to walk you through those options. Sometimes it makes sense, and other times it doesn't. But at least you know for sure you're not missing out on opportunities to save, or you might be able to lock in some savings later because we have to just look at the numbers to see where it makes the most sense. The third thing is to plan ahead. If you're a prospective buyer preparing for homeownership, is to learn about the VA benefits and check out the channel and all the resources that are available to you. Now, if you guys see something that you don't see something that you want to learn about, drop a comment below, because guess what? A lot of these videos are from client questions or from the videos that we do. Sharing is caring. Now, drop them down in the comment section because we'll do that. Stay informed. The mortgage market is constantly changing. Do your research and hit the notification button so you get more information like today so you stay informed. In summary, the recent surge in refinance activity highlights the incredible value VA loans bring for veterans and military families. Whether you're looking to lower your monthly payment, lock in a better rate, or prepare for home ownership, now is the time to explore those options. So thank you for watching. Take care until the next video.